Alright, we've got two greens there, but before we get into this, can't remember what paint that was. I think that's the urethane, not the emerald green, but it is a urethane. Yeah. And I just found out this is the pearl lime. I just opened it. I never opened it before, so this is going to be really cool for me. So as you know, these Createx paints, yeah, you got to bake them. Bake that stuff right on. Yeah. This is Createx. The bright red and the bright blue. This is Createx. The pearl red and the pearl blue. They both look cool, but I went and dipped this in the goop, so I don't have the headlights on this guy like I do on this guy or the other guy I just did yesterday. But like I said, as you know, it's got to be baked on. So, but how do you take the tape off without putting it in the oven? Oh, I got a heat gun. I got a heat gun. Yeah, and it don't fit over here. I gotta unplug it. I got this heat gun. It gets really hot. I don't know how hot it got. But evidently, evidently, it gets really effing hot. So much so it blistered the tape and the paint. Yeah, consider that lesson learned. And I only do this so I can kind of touch the car and not mess up the paint job, but yeah, I blistered it. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, evidently that's really hot. And this quarter panel is, well, it's just gonna have to stay that way. Let's get to demasking this, shall we? Shall we? There's that funny word again. I like to spell that out the way it sounds, shall we? There's a W in there somewheres. There's a W in two, but not in one. One. O-N-E. No. W-O-N-E. One. Two. T-O. Two. T-O. Two. T-W-O. Two. We can go on. Let's get to the video. So, man, taping it up like this is easy. Taping it up like this is hard. But I really like this. I really like that. So, I know this was last, just for an extra little piece. And, well, I still got a pack of these. I might send these to my buddy down under. Tungsten, 1/2 gram weights. So, oh, and I got some of these. These are 5 grams. These are big 1/4-inch cubes almost. I think they're in millimeters. So I don't know why the whole world ain't on the same system, but alright. I put tabs on a few things, see? I learned my lesson. Yeah. Put a tab on it. This is for the tail stock, which comes out under here, right there. Oh, yeah, I can see it already. In my mind, I can see it. Now, I don't know how I'm going to take this off. But we've got this right here. Oh. You know what I need to do? I need to make a video and play it in reverse of when I take these up. Yeah, but I know this going across the roof is the last. And I think this is an extra piece just to help hold it on. Nope, maybe not. Hey, you know, it's all fun and games till someone gets their eye poked out. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah. That's a piece of blue from the original decals there. Yeah. Oh, come on, no, I got to get this off first. Look at that. Oh, key lime pie, ladies and gentlemen. Key lime pie. How am I gonna... I guess I just do... Oh, look at that. Oh. Yeah, it is the first time I use this pearlized Create Tex line. Yeah. That's awesome color, man. This is my new key lime pie. And the original paint looks awesome. Key lime pie. I wanted to send that to Bay City Daryl. If you haven't checked out his channel, Bay City Diecast Racing. I just call him Bay City Daryl. I'm your host. Oh man, watch. Oh, wow. Check that out. Yeah, let's zoom in, but don't forget to zoom out. Oh, that's a bad puppy right there, man. Oh yeah, that's a bad boy. Hey, if you're here, oh, we can live with that. We can live with this right here. I have to look at that up really close. You can't see it this way. But yeah, oh man, that's a bad puppy. That's a, whoo. Now I got to figure out how I'm going to get this off the tail. Scalpel. Well, you know, I put 2 tabs on this, so I should be able to peel it apart. But now there's paint on it and I can't really see. But the top is bigger than the bottom, and now the bottom got painted. This is going to make it pop. I don't want to use a scalpel, you know, utility knife. We'll just, yeah. This on camera? Yeah, we gotta bend this out, up, not out, so you can see what the heck I'm doing. I got a flap on this tape and a flap on that tape. I'm gonna need a beer after this. See? That's why I put the flaps in there. Oh. Yes. Let go. There we go. Oh. Yes. Wow. My new key lime pie Toyota Supra. However, this is a 2020. That has some mad looking beep upper. Yeah. You know, I need to start cleaning these. Put these in the goop. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of painting. Now, very carefully, we're going to take this off. by just holding the top here. I mean, I can touch it. Oh man, key lime pie. Thanks for watching. I love it. Let's get it off the stand here. Well, we'll do this after I bake it, and we'll be back for the final. Wow. Wow. It takes a lot to make me happy there. I'm such a perfectionist, and sometimes you just gotta let things go like this. That corner, dang nabbit, the tape wasn't good enough. However, it's gonna stay, because I ain't doing this again. Wow, look at those, look at the sparkle. All right, put it in the oven, get a beer, take a break. We'll be back. Thanks. If you like this stuff, man, you know, share it with somebody you know. Say, hey, buddy, you know how I like this? Yeah. Yeah, well, check this guy out. Whoops. Yeah, I'll probably just bleep that out, but if you know one of your buddies likes the same stuff as you, share this with them. Hey, Fred. I don't know why I said Fred. I like this video. Why don't you check it out? Yeah, all right. This guy's a bleeping idiot. So, all right. We'll be back. I promise. Well, here it is. Whoa. Yeah. I like that color. Pearl wine. Let's get this out of the way. You know, a little while ago while I was waiting for this to bake, you know, we gotta bake this stuff. The National Weather Service came on the TV and said, severe thunderstorms for your area between here and here. Yeah. Well, we got a sprinkle. I guess that must have been severe. I don't know, but we got a sprinkle enough to make the dirt wet and stick to your sneakers. All right. I'm upset. Why? Well, after I baked this, the oven was still kind of warm, right? I swear this dragon was perfect, and it went this way. Slid that way to the right as it dried. It was just slightly warm, just to help speed up drying the decals, because, you know, I always tap it with water so it doesn't stick to my fingers as I try to slide it off, you know. And I've got, of course, I used the scalpel and try to slide it off, you know. I played and played with that. It was perfect. I take it out. It's over to the right. Dang it. All right. The last thing to do, it's still sprinkling out there. The dogs are out. But yeah, I love the front. And I was thinking about black decals because we've got black headlights and some black here, but Green Dragon, Key Lime Pie, Green Dragon, I don't care about the name. It's gonna be Johnny Smoke driving a Green Dragon or something. Yeah, just to change up the colors, you know. You can only do this color so many times. So here we go. We're gonna spray that with the 2X. That came out really good. It covers up the edges of the decals. You can't really see them unless you really get into the light. Hell, I can hardly see them right now. But you got to spray it with something to protect them. And that's what we're going to do. Now, I don't know who I'm sending this to, but I'm still building it, you know. All right. I would show you, but it's not going to look much different than this. After I spray it, just going to be a little glossier. Get the scalpel out my way. And you know, to make the video shorter. Nice. Very nice. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later. Bonus clip. Yeah, I forgot. I wanted to compare this green with the lime. Totally different, man. Totally different. Yep. Key lime pie. Green dragon. Green dragon. Just green, I guess. I don't know. Just having fun here, man. Just having fun. I love painting. Oh, baby, oh, baby. Oh, yeah, yeah. All right. Thanks. You know, I just can't help myself. But here it is. That's what I'm using. And here it is. It's already dry. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share it to your buddies, man. Share it to your friends. Oh, I'm loving this guy. And I don't know where I'm sending him to. Not yet. Gonna go somewheres. That's your bonus clip. Yeah, that's your bonus clip. See you later.